Hey everyone, welcome back to Horilla CRM. This video is all about the calendar module of Horilla. So, first of all, let's dive into the module. The very first thing that we are going to talk about is the perfect views, that is, the different views that are provided by Horilla for the calendar. So, there are four distinct perspectives in Horilla for the calendar. As you all know, here flexibility is the key. And the very first view that we have is the month view. Like if you want a big picture, like if you are looking for a view or a calendar for your big picture strategy, then you can use the month view. So you can use the day and week view for those granular high intensity schedules, and year view to track your activity distribution across the entire year's roadmap. Then on top, you have these navigation buttons, which will help you to go to the next and the previous time slots with ease. And also you can go to today. Okay, so that's how it works. Then another interesting thing that we can find in Horilla CRM is the color coding. Okay, so we all process information differently, right? And that's why Horilla lets you color code your life. You can assign specific color to different activity types, like for example, blue for meetings and orange for task and all such things. Not only you can choose the color, but you can also filter your view. So if you want to see only the meetings, then you have to toggle the other activities off. Okay, so simply toggle the others off, and this will only show you the meetings. Now you can only see the meetings that have been scheduled for the entire year. Similarly, if you want to view all of them, then just check all the check boxes. Okay, so that's how you do it. And for each, you can set a color. Now for task, you can see a color is there. If you want to change it, simply click on the color. Okay, so for each, we have set different colors. Now, if you want to schedule an activity, what are you going to do? You can simply click on the cell. So on February 13th, I'm going to create a new activity. Let it be an event, or you can simply change it to any other things as well. Okay, so if it's an event, then you have to select a subject for it. Okay, so I'll just give it as it's a fair, a job fair or sales fair, something like that. And then here you can see the date. The date is also there. And I'm going to set an activity owner. Let it be Adam Louis. Okay, so that is it. And right now I'm saving it. So here you can see on 13th, an event has been or an activity has been scheduled successfully. Okay, so that is the reason why it shows like this. Now here for events, we have set the color is orange, and that's why it shows orange color on the corresponding date. Okay, so that's how you easily schedule an activity. It can be any activity. So based on whatever color you have given, that color will be displayed on the the calendar. So I am going to switch it to the month view. So in the month view, you can see this in detail. Okay, now that's how you schedule. Now creating a new activity is actually simple, like clicking a time slot, whether it's a task, an event, or even a critical meeting. So just fill up the details and hit save, and it will be instantly appearing on the grid. Okay, and if you need a quick check-in, you can click on click any activity for the short detail pop-up. So here, if you click on this particular thing, you can see the pop-up over here, which is showing you the details. Okay, you can even mark it as complete or delete and all. So if you want to mark it as complete, you can sit or click on this. And then if you want to delete it, edit it, or if you want to see any information regarding it, you can open this. And once you open this, there is even a history tab to see the full audit trail, the track status change from pending to completed, and see exactly when a task was, reassigned until its ultimate accountability in one tab. So that's how you create one. Next is blocking out me time. So if you want to mark an unavailability, so productivity isn't just about working, right? It's about knowing when not to work as well. So use the unavailability management feature to block out the time slots, whether it's a personal break or deep work hours. Marking yourself unavailable prevents scheduling conflicts and keeps your team informed. So on 28th, I'm planning to mark as unavailable. So you can mark as unavailable. So for that, what you have to do is you have to set the time as well. So I'm setting it to 12 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and I'm saving it. So I'm just giving the reason as I'm busy. So that's a reason, right? Saving it. So here you can see user unavailability. The reason is busy. Start and end times also specified over there. So that's how you mark the unavailability of the user. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.